Taylor Swift's Eras Tour continues to ravage through the eastern and midwestern United States, causing New York to suffer from its third consecutive day of having the worst air quality in the world.
I think you're talking about the Montreal wildfire.
Why? What did I say? I honestly have nothing against Taylor Swift. I actually really like some of her music. The only reason why I didn't go to her concert yesterday was because I heard that the screaming goat from I Knew You Were Trouble wasn't gonna be there. But I did hear that her favorite thing to eat was chicken tenders. So just taking inspiration from that, today we're going to make deep fried chicken tender steam buns with chili oil and a quick pickle. Let's get to it. So we are gonna make these chicken tenders from scratch, but there is nothing wrong with getting the store-bought stuff, baking those in the oven, and then steaming some steam buns and then doing it that way. But since this is a cooking channel, we're just gonna make it from scratch because I have everything here. We've got chicken tenders, we've got eggs for our binder, and then here we have some Panko Crumbs that has been dusted with some cornstarch, as well as my Smoking Embers spice blend. If you do not have this, garlic powder, paprika, your basic fried chicken seasonings would work perfectly fine too. And of course, a little bit of salt and pepper. What we're gonna do is we're gonna batter and fry these chicken tenders. And then once those are done, do a quick steam of the steam buns, which are wonderfully pre-made. And then we're gonna top those off with chili oil and make ourselves little fried chicken steam buns in honor of Taylor Swift. So it's just as you would any fried chicken. Put it in the egg wash and then put the egg wash chicken in with Panko Crumbs / cornstarch. The oil is at 350 degrees. We'll give it a little bit more time because it will cool down when we put some chicken in there, but anywhere between 350 degrees to 375. And just plopping the tendies in there. The first fry. These I just got from my Chinese grocery store. You can generally find them in the freezer aisle. They come in larger ones and smaller ones. Obviously, if you're gonna do a whole chicken tendy, you should do the bigger ones. You can use wax paper. They have perforated steam bun wax paper that you could use to line your steamers with so that the buns don't stick to the steamers. But I like using cabbage because oftentimes it's easier to find cabbage than steam bun liners. And also, when cabbage is steamed, it becomes good for dogs. So these are like, they turn into dog treats. So why not? Buying drugs on the black market used to be such a harrowing experience, but thank God I don't feel that way anymore, thanks to NordVPN. Just kidding, actually nobody's willing to sponsor me, so I'm here to sponsor myself. My cookbook, Kung Food by John Kung, comes out October 31st, but pre-orders are available now. The pre-order process is actually like really important when it comes to like first-time authors or really any author. So if you were planning to get my cookbook, it would mean a lot if you went ahead and just did it now and pre-ordered your copy. There are signed copies available if you wanted to. Recipes like this will not be on the book because I just made this up as we go. But it's okay, we have a video for this. But the chili oil that went on this, as well as a few fried chicken recipes, will be in this as well. So, pre-order now, Kung Food by John Kung, and thank you so much. And these should be good. If you finish your chicken tenders before your steam buns are done, you could keep these in a low oven and they can just sit there and they'll be hot and ready. These are really big. I think in Chinese these are called guo bao. I don't know what it means. Lotus leaf? No, I don't, I'm making that up. Bottoms first. Ooh, come on. Don't go open all the way. It's sad when it's like that. There we go. When they open up all the way, it looks like they just gave up. Do y'all remember the pickles from a couple of videos ago? Maybe it was the last video, I don't know, we haven't decided yet. But look at that. It's like when you're watching a movie and all of the parts come together for a really satisfying finish. And if you haven't seen it, you guys should go watch it so you can make all the parts of this recipe. Or you can go out and buy pickles, that's fine too. You know, kimchi would probably be really good in this as well. And yes, it's the chili oil we made a while ago too. So a little bit of salt. I guess we should try this. I don't know enough Taylor Swift songs to like make puns throughout this process. I'm sorry. I only know the goat song. I really do love that song so much, but only the goat version. Oh. Mmm. Acidic, the acid and the sweetness and the spiciness and the fried chicken tender and the bao. I mean, like, we knew this is gonna be good. Like, this, there was no way that this was gonna go wrong. I actually used to make these at pop-ups all the time, but I would use like chicken thighs and stuff like that, and it would take so much longer and they wouldn't like cook as well. They'd be juicy, but they wouldn't be like crispy like this. I should have just used chicken tenders this whole time. Mmm. There you have it. Spicy chicken tender bao for Taylor Swift.